Welcome to 1000 West Avenue, Unit 425. This is an 1,197 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment, fully remodeled, hurricane windows throughout. You can see you got a large living dining room area. This is listed for $849. You have a galley kitchen fully updated, granite counters, stainless appliances, LED lighting. The bedrooms are down this way. To the left here, you have a newly installed stackable washer dryer. Fits in the closet perfectly. They specially designed the door to it. This would be the guest bathroom. Again, fully remodeled, nicely tiled. It's got mirrored walls, recessed lighting. You walk across the hall, you have the guest bedroom. This is another large bedroom. You have great water views from every room in this apartment. You walk in over here, you've got a nice closet. Every room has electric blinds, by the way. So all rooms have electric shades. You can see the clicker there. This is the primary bedroom. This has great windows, wall-to-wall windows. Again, hurricane impact. They open. They have screens in them. This is a really nice room. The whole apartment, it just has new porcelain floors as well. This is the primary bathroom with it. It's got a tub in it. There's plenty of room if you wanted to put a bigger vanity to create some more storage. Plenty of room to do that, probably even double sinks. This is a small closet hanging right now. It would make a great linen closet. And then you have a nice walk-in with shelves built in already. This is such a great unit. In the Mirador, you can rent 2 times a year for a minimum of 4 months. It has an amazing walk score of 93. So you're close to Whole Foods, Oliver's, tons of shop and restaurants. You have a great balcony here. These glass doors, they stack on each other, so you can open them. You get a double width opening, so they all stack, and you can open them one way or the other, and you have this magnificent view. So give me a call. I'd love to show it to you at your convenience.